Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account right from the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. So let's get straight to it. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap the menu icon, bottom right on iPhone, top right on Android. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Now tap Account Center. Once you're in Account Center, scroll down to Account Settings and tap Personal Details. From here, select Account Ownership and Control. This is where Facebook hides the delete option. Now, tap Deactivation and Deletion. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to delete. Make sure Delete Account is selected, then tap Continue. Facebook will ask you for a reason. Pick one or just skip it. Now, tap Continue, and they'll try to convince you to deactivate instead, but if you're sure, keep going. At this point, you can download your Facebook data if you want to keep your photos, posts, and other info. Otherwise, just tap Continue again. Now, enter your Facebook password, tap Continue, and confirm that you want to delete your account permanently. And that's it. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. But wait, don't close the app just yet. Your account isn't gone instantly. Facebook gives you 30 days to change your mind. Log back in within that time. Your account is restored like nothing happened. But if you stay away, after 30 days, it's gone forever. No way to recover it. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.